In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all databases in Notion. Welcome to this guide on making the most of your Notion experience by learning how to view all your databases quickly and efficiently. Whether you are managing personal projects, detailed documentation, or complex team workflows, understanding how to access all your databases is a crucial step towards staying organized and productive. To get started, you'll need to head over to the Notion website, which you can easily do by typing www.notion.so into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you will notice a login button located at the top right corner. Go ahead and click this button to access your workspace. If you have linked your Notion account with your Google account, there's a handy option for signing in. Continue with Google. This allows you to sign in without having to enter a password, saving you some time. Simply select the appropriate Google account, and it will take you straight into your Notion homepage. Once you've arrived in your workspace, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll find your pages and sections organized here. The next step in accessing all your databases begins with clicking on the plus icon situated on the left side. This is your starting point for adding new content to your workspace. In the blank space of a new page or within a fresh block of content, type the command /table. This will activate the database creation options. From the list that appears, choose Table View, a straightforward way to view your data in a clear and structured format. After selecting the table view, you'll be presented with two options: to create a new database or to link to an existing one. Our focus is viewing all your existing databases, so select Link to Database. This action will bring up a searchable list of every database that already exists within your Notion workspace. At this point, you can either scroll through the list or use the search function to find any database by its name. Once you've selected a database, it will appear right there on your page, enabling you to interact with it as you would in its original location. This approach is perfect for consolidating relevant databases from various parts of your workspace into one centralized view, making it easy to manage and access the information you need. And there you have it. Now you know how to view all your databases in Notion. This is a simple yet powerful technique that significantly contributes to staying organized, ensuring all of your important information is within easy reach. Thank you for following along in this guide, and I wish you great success in organizing your workspace.